As we have been reporting today, face masks are no longer required inside Boston Public Schools. Here with some insights on how your child may feel about this change is Dr. Chase Samsel, a psychiatrist at Boston Children's Hospital. Doctor, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you, doctor. Okay, I think a lot of us would assume that most kids are celebrating this decision, but since masks have been part of their daily routine for such a long time, could it be harder for some students to adjust? Because it was hard for, I think, a lot of us adults to adjust.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. It's definitely hard for us as adults, and it's definitely going to be hard for a lot of kids. We're seeing this already with some kids actually being a little surprised, as eager as they were to get rid of it, bringing some worries and some concerns. But certainly there's a lot of children who are going to be really anxious about this change. It's been here for a couple of years now, and we've had so many children that have heard things are not safe, right? Over 200,000 children have lost a caregiver in our country to COVID, and many more for other friends and families to death or to injury. It's been scary, and now all of a sudden you're saying it's okay and we're in the clear. It's a lot for kids.
It is a lot. It is. So we know the public health reasons why some kids may continue to wear masks. Are there emotional reasons as well? And you basically just alluded to that.
Well, I think there's a lot of different reasons for a lot of families. And I think that the big ask is the why. You know, some kids are really going to have reasons of protecting vulnerable loved ones at home. You mentioned the public health reasons. And some kids might be really, really scared, as well as some families, about maybe it doesn't make sense for us to drop masks as a family because we have some vulnerable, grandparents that might be living with us, for example, and the anxieties that come with that. For other kids, if they're talking with their parents and guardians and they're making decisions, it's okay to stop using masks, and they're feeling too nervous or anxious to do so, then there's a lot of reasons, I think, as a family to talk about why it's more safe now to get rid of masks, and also that we might bring back masks soon. I think for all kids, those who are both eager to get rid of masks and those who are not, it's really important as a family to talk about how this is a decision that's happening right now. This doesn't mean it's forever.
Yeah, and on the flip side of that, let's talk about the kids who don't want to wear masks anymore. They're ready to take them off, but their parents want them to. What's the best way to handle that kind of a, conversation or situation in general?
Yeah, well, there's been a lot of parents that have been talking to me about this, and I think it's similar to how you go about, disagreements in any family, whether it's clothing that certain people want to wear or not want to wear to school, or what they're doing after school or doing on the weekends, except this might have consequences for you all as a family with regards to health. And I think that being able to explain to kids, certainly really young kids, needs a little less explanation. This is what we're doing as a family, but, tweens and teens, the reasons why as a family it's important to do, they got to hear those reasons as teens and tweens. Otherwise, they're going to be much, much less likely, to adhere to those family policies. And then I think on top of that, you've got to think about the consequences. How much can you really see these things through? Just like any other activities at school, are you going to have partners and teachers who are helping with surveillance? Is there going to be some school buy-in for the kids that continue to want a mask? And who's going to be doing that? Because you certainly don't want to make empty consequences happen for your kids and talking about it. You need to be realistic with them, but hopefully trying to partner with them and school.
You do. All right, Dr. Samsel, thank you so much for being with us. We really appreciate it. And to you, our viewers, if you have questions about mental health that you would like our experts to answer, it's easy. Just email them to ask@wcvb.com.
All right, let's give you a